In this video, we're going to be going over some option strategies on Roblox stock to make you hundreds of dollars for the upcoming weeks. So Roblox, it's a really good company, seen a lot of growth during the pandemic, and it's at a really good point where the price of the stock is at its all-time lows, basically. As we can see, when it IPO'd in March of 2021, IPO'd at a price of $64.50, and we can see it skyrocketed to all the way up to highs of $134. Now we're sitting at $51.15, which is currently under the IPO price. So 20% under the IPO price. Really good opportunity, and it's seeing some rebounding. So what we've done is we've sold some cash care puts on the stock. Really good premiums for the stock, so it's a good opportunity to either sell some puts or sell some put credit spreads if you have little capital. So what I went ahead and did was I sold some 45 strike puts for March 11th. You could do the March 18th. That would be a good one as well. And I chose a $45 strike because there's a good chance of profit, and the 45 has some really good support around there. So I do think that if it reaches that point again, it will rebound. So Roblox, we're going to be choosing the $45 strike. And we also chose that strike because we don't mind owning 100 shares of this stock if we do end up getting assigned on our cash gear puts. So we're going to be going over and selling some of these. Now, if you have a larger account, you can sell 2 of these contracts if you have 10K buying power. If you have 25K buying power, which is quite a lot, you could sell 5 of these, and you're going to be collecting a high premium of $770. But of course, if you have a medium-sized account, only $10,000, sell 2 of these bad boys, you're going to be collecting $308. So I definitely am going to be selling some of these when the market opens tomorrow. I really like Roblox as a company, and the stock price is very discounted, so for my taste. If you have a small account with only a few $1,000s, you could always sell one. You're collecting $154 of premium, which is not that bad. Or you could do what's called a put credit spread. So you can be selling a $45 strike and then buying the one under it, $44 strike. And as you can see, our total credit is going to be $25. But the thing is that we're putting up a lot less collateral, which is going to be better for people with small accounts. So let's say we do 5 of these contracts. As we can see here, collateral is only going to be requiring $500. So this is going to be some pretty good returns on your money if Roblox stays above $45. And that's how we're really going to be growing small accounts as well as big accounts. So really good strategies there. If you have $1,000, you can sell 10 of these contracts. You're going to be collecting $250 for, let's see, 2.5 weeks, which is going to be some really good profits on your end. And it's only going to be putting up $1,000 of collateral. More specifically, 750, because our collateral is going to be the collateral minus the minimum credit that we're instantly receiving into our buying power. So we only need $750 to open this put credit spread, which is a pretty good strategy. And it's very recommended if you have smaller accounts to do credit spreads rather than selling full on cash geared puts. Now, if you have a lot of capital, selling cash geared puts is going to be the best way. It's a win-win situation. It's either you win on the trade, you collect your premium in full, you move on, or you get assigned 100 shares of the stock at a cheaper price. Because remember, we chose a $45 strike price, and if the stock drops below that, we get assigned shares at a lower cost basis. So it's a lot better because if you just outright buy 100 shares right now, you're buying shares at $51.25 each. Whereas if we sell $45 cash gear puts, we're going to be getting shares at $45 each potentially. So that's the beauty with selling cash gear puts as well as this strategy. That's about it for this video. Please leave a like. Thanks for watching.